It's really hard. I only got one back loop and a not so good wave. So it is possible, but it's really, really hard. You don't get to sail in these kind of conditions every day, so it's just a great experience that we all came here and can enjoy these conditions together. Ja, das geht hier schon ziemlich ab. Ich war 5 Minuten draußen am Surfen, habe dann meine Gabel und mein Trapez gebrochen und musste die restliche Zeit von meinem Heat schwimmen. Bin jetzt gerade zurückgekommen. Ja, schon ziemlich extrem bei dem Wind hier surfen zu gehen auf jeden Fall. Ja, in Deutschland haben wir nicht jeden Tag solche Bedingungen und jetzt mal hier alle ganze Mannschaft versammelt in Irland, alle gehen aufs Wasser, pushen sich gegenseitig, da kommt dann schon von alleine Motivation auf.
It was hard. You maybe only land one jump or had only one good wave, but I mean, at the end, it's what I've been counting together, and didn't expect to make it second. It's good, but yeah, we'll have to go for another storm. Ja, also ich habe es echt nicht erwartet, weil echt jeder Heat ist echt super schwierig gewesen, überhaupt irgendwas auf die Beine zu bekommen. Wie in 10, 12 Minuten hat man vielleicht einen Sprung landen können und eine Welle mehr oder minder abreiten können. Aber ich meine, gut, das Gute ist, hat sich halt summiert und zum Schluss, ja, Zweiter, super geil und habe ich überhaupt nicht erwartet, also geil.
Cool. Just, you have to go, it's okay, I made my jump. I like the strong wind, it's okay after, you know, you can make something good in your heat sometime and then you know how it is, you know, in 10 minutes it's short, but it's cool. I feel good, I make what I can do, you know, I'm still in full piece, one piece, so it's cool. Non, pour l'instant ça va, disons que j'ai eu des bons sauts, j'ai réussi à poser mes sauts, c'est pas facile, il y a quand même 60 nœuds, donc voilà, je manque un peu de surf, il va falloir resurfer plus, mais en saut c'était pas trop mal et faut contrôler, c'est très fort, il y a 60 nœuds, c'est l'ouragan quoi.
I'm super happy, I mean, no, I was not expecting it at all, and especially in such strong winds, and I'm a light guy, so I wasn't expecting it, and I'm really happy because like this I know I can go to the next mission, and I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm looking forward to it, so that's two good things. One victory here and a ticket for the next mission, so all good. Je suis super content, j'ai gagné, je suis qualifié pour la mission d'après, donc cette première mission en Irlande, c'est vraiment une bonne surprise pour moi, je pensais pas aussi bien marcher, surtout dans un vent aussi fort, mais c'était des bonnes conditions, vraiment à la limite du possible, mais top, donc j'espère, voilà, on verra la prochaine.
Out there it's like silence and like a nightmare at the same time, you know, because the white water hits your face, the current is really strong, sometimes I can't even water start, and you're alone in the water, you don't see anything, just big waves everywhere, strong gust, and you don't know how strong it's gonna be. It never stops.
All right.
Las condiciones aquí son durísimas, no tiene nada que ver con Gran Canaria o mi casa en Almería, que es donde yo he navegado a veces con tormentas fuertes. Allí tenemos sol, el viento no es tan pesado como aquí y aquí hace mucho más frío, el frío lo notas en las manos, en los pies y vamos, sobre todo, no sé cómo describirlo, tienes que venir para saberlo.
That was some of the most extreme, challenging windsurfing I've ever done in my life. I've windsurfed all my life, and that was just some scary, radical stuff. You know, I'm happy to be back on the beach in one piece. Leon was out with me, Leon Jamir from Kiel, and we had he was going big. I had a couple waves, so it was exciting, but it was just real survival at sea, gnarly storm chase conditions.
No, I think it's going to be good. I think it's right now it's hard, but I think this afternoon the wind's going to drop just a tiny little bit. If it was like solid 50 knots instead of 60, 65, will be really good, and the waves are quite good. And I think the other spot where we're going this afternoon, I saw it this morning. It was too offshore this morning, but this afternoon should be side shore, and it looks like an amazing jumping spot. So I'm excited for this afternoon.
It was a scary day. at some point there I couldn't hold my 3-0, and I never thought that with 86 kilos that would happen. I never seen that much wind, so I'm just happy to be in it, and looking forward to have a beer with the boys tonight and celebrate and get ready for the next one. Estou muito feliz de ter competido e ficado em quarto lugar, qualificando assim para a próxima etapa. Eu sou do Ceará e eu moro em Mal, e são dois lugares muito quentes, e essa temperatura e esse tipo de vento eu nunca tinha visto antes, e eu estou feliz de ter me mantido ali no top 6 e estou empolgado para tomar uma cerveja hoje com meus amigos e me preparar para a próxima etapa.
Cool.
I don't know. It looks pretty big and heavy. I just hope I'm gonna make it back in. I'm gonna try and do some jumps, and that's it pretty much. I think it's super scary. This is new to me. دابا غادي نهبط للماء. الأجواء كتبان شوية صعيبة بزاف، كاين الريح كتير والموجة كبيرة، ونتمنى غير نرجع بصحة وسلامة إن شاء الله. واحد يلا كان غادي يموت صافي.
Yeah, the first 5 minutes of my heat I was overpowered, but I still managed to sail. But then in the end it just got so windy I couldn't even go straight. So I only did some stuff in the first 5 minutes, and then I was just trying to get in and out. I signed up because I was sure this was going to be the most extreme contest of the year, and well, it turned out to be. Ja, forholdene er ret ekstreme. Det er i hvert fald det mest blæste, jeg nogensinde har prøvet at sejle i. Og her de sidste 5 minutter med heat, der kunne jeg slet ikke sejle lige ud. Jeg prøvede bare at komme ind og ud, og jeg blev nærmest bare blæst ned i vandet nogle gange. Bølgerne og så videre er lidt det samme, men det her det er det mest vind, jeg nogensinde har sejlet i. Det er ret ekstremt.
Yeah, it's always really difficult to organize everybody onto one location for one day with a forecast, and all the people come from all around the world. So that it all turned out to be possible, it's like a dream. I mean, the last second we were still missing board bags and sail bags, and they all showed up in the night before this day. So, and then we got this wind, these conditions. So I think we are pretty lucky.